Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Envision. If you're interested in 1. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. 2. The hidden tax secrets behind Jeff Bezos' $80,000 salary. 3. Jeff Bezos, the billionaire who founded Amazon, revolutionized e-commerce, and built a fortune that rivals the GDP of small nations. Yet, he draws a salary of just $81,840 a year. Sounds strange, right? Today, we'll uncover the hidden tax secrets behind this surprising choice. What's the deal with Bezos' salary? Let's start with the basics. Despite having a net worth that has soared past $100 billion, Bezos officially reports a salary of $81,840. For context, that's less than many mid-level corporate employees. But there's a reason behind this modest figure, and it's rooted in the way taxes work in the US. Salary equals taxable income. Your salary is considered taxable income, which means the more you earn, the more taxes you owe. By keeping his salary low, Bezos limits the amount of income subject to federal and state taxes. How billionaires make money without earning. But here's the real kicker. Billionaires like Bezos don't rely on salaries to build wealth. Instead, they accumulate their riches through assets like stock ownership. Bezos owns around 10% of Amazon, worth billions of dollars. This is where the magic of tax strategy comes into play. Wealth does not equal income. Here's the key difference. Wealth is not the same as income. Bezos doesn't pay taxes on his Amazon shares until he decides to sell them. And guess what? He rarely does. The secret of borrowing against wealth. So how does Bezos fund his lifestyle? Simple. He borrows against his wealth. Loan versus sale. Instead of selling Amazon stock and paying capital gains taxes, he takes out loans using his shares as collateral. These loans come with low interest rates and, crucially, aren't considered taxable income. In the eyes of the IRS, a loan doesn't count as earning money. Loans equals tax-free spending. The role of deductions and write-offs. And then there are deductions. Bezos has legitimate business expenses, think security costs, travel for business purposes, and even expenses related to his space exploration company, Blue Origin. These deductions lower his taxable income even further. Remember, billionaires often own companies that pay for things like private jets or events, which can also count as business expenses. Another layer of tax efficiency. How capital gains work in Bezos' favor. Stock market graphics with tax percentages. Now let's talk about capital gains. When Bezos does sell stock, he pays a lower tax rate on capital gains than what he would pay on regular income. For example, long-term capital gains tax rates max out at 20%, while top income tax rates can reach 37%. That's nearly half. Capital gains tax less than income tax. The power of charitable donations. Bezos speaking at a philanthropy event. Bezos is also known for making significant charitable donations, often in the form of Amazon stock. This creates a double benefit. First, he supports causes he cares about. Second, he gets to deduct the value of those donations from his taxable income. Example calculation of tax savings from donations. So, is Bezos playing the system? Or is he just taking advantage of the rules as they're written? It's a polarizing debate. While some argue that billionaires should pay more in taxes, others point out that these strategies are completely legal and available to anyone with the means to use them. The system versus the individual. Can you use these strategies? Presenter at a desk with practical tips. Now, you might not have billions in stock, but there are lessons here for everyone. Minimize taxable income. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. Leverage capital gains. Invest for the long term to benefit from lower tax rates. Consider deductions. Keep track of business expenses, charitable donations, and more. So, the next time you hear about Jeff Bezos and his $80,000 salary, you'll know the truth. It's not about what you earn, it's about how you manage it. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what topic you'd like us to cover next.